Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve some mathematical expression which looks simple but still people make mistakes. So in this video, we'll cover 5 questions. Don't skip any question. You will learn something new in each question. So let's start with today's video solution. So in the first question, we have given 19 minus 9 bracket 19 minus 9. So 19 minus 9, 10, 19 minus 9, 10 and 10 times 10, 100. Many people solve it like this, but this is the wrong answer because they did not follow the right approach, that is order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So this rule helps you to choose which operation you should solve first. So here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. Multiplication and division both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. So now let's rewrite the expression and solve with the help of PEMDAS rule. So 19 minus 9 bracket 19 minus 9. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. So this parenthesis is 19 minus 9, that is 10. Now write the left terms, that is 19 minus 9, and there is a multiplication sign. So as per PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So 19 minus 9 times 10 is 90, and 19 minus 90 is minus 71. So what is the correct answer? Minus 71, not 100. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Now comes to the next expression. Don't skip the video here. There are more expression that gives you most interesting answers. So let's move forward. So in this expression, we have given minus 8 plus 8 times 4 by 8. So how people solve it? They cancel out the 8 with 8 and then minus 8 times 4, that is 32. So which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. As we discussed in the previous question, we have to follow PEMDAS rule or PEDMAS rule. We know that P is parenthesis, exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, then addition, subtraction. So now let's rewrite this. So minus 8 plus 8 times 4. If you have confusion, put the numerator in bracket, then division sign, then 8, the denominator. So first we have to solve the parenthesis, and in parenthesis there are 3 symbols, that is subtraction, addition and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So it becomes minus 8 plus 8 times 4 is 32 in bracket divided by 8. Minus 8 plus 32 is 24 by 8 and 24 by 8 is 3. So what is the correct answer? 3. I hope it's clear. When you follow a right approach, you will always reach at right answer. Now let's move forward to the next expression. So we have given 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6. So in this expression, people cancel out this and their answer is 6. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it is incorrect. So when you have given 6 divided 1 by 6, it is totally different from 6 multiply 1 by 6. In this case, you can cancel out and your answer is 1. But when 6 divided 1 by 6 is given, you have to follow KCF rule. So what is KCF rule? Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So that means, so let's apply 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6 we have to given. So let's apply the KCF rule in this part. So keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. Times 6 left, so 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. So what is the correct answer? 216, not 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So now let's move forward to the next expression. So our next expression is that 8 divided by 2 bracket 8 divided by 2. So many solve it like this. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8 and then 8 divided by 8 is 1. This is the incorrect answer because they take a incorrect approach. So while following PEMDAS rule, rewrite the expression 8 divided by 2 bracket 8 divided by 2. So first solve the parenthesis, that is 8 divided by 2, 4. Now write the left out terms. So we know that division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So from left it's division first. So 8 divide 2 times 4. 8 divide 2 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. So what is the correct answer? 16, not 1. So stay tuned for the next question. So in this expression, we have given 9 divided 9 by 6 times 6. So people cancel out 6 with 6 and 9 divided 9, 1. Which is wrong. We learned the KCF rule. So let's apply the KCF rule. What is the full form of KCF rule? Comment down below. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So that means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. Now cancel out 9 with 9 and 6 times 6 is 36. So what is the correct answer? 36, not 1. So now comment down below your homework question is 7 divided by 1 by 7 multiply 7, the first question. And the second question is 4 divided by 2 bracket 4 divided by 2. Comment down below. I will pin the comment that gives both the answer correct. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.